question I have is, how far out should you be planning, and how often should you be reviewing your strategy to check it?
Perfect. Oh, yeah. Planning, well, the initial planning stages and everything, especially when you're adopting a marketing automation platform, you're gonna look out 6 months just for the initial concept. For adoption within the organization it's 6 months. They're gonna try and push you through like that, because what is their job is to get you in and get you out, and then you're supposed to be doing it on your own. With that though, get in there and slam the brakes on them. I always slam the brakes on them because they're going to try and push you through. It happened with me with Silverpop, with Eloqua and Marketo. They really like to get you through the process because you already bought. So why keep you in the loop anymore? But I would plan for 6 months and then be building your content at the same time. Understand what you really want to have out of a content strategy and content webs. How is each silo going to be interacting with inside of this content web? You're going, within my organization, dang, I always keep on hitting that. Within my organization now, I have about 4 verticals that we're working within, which is government, MRO, education, and law enforcement. And the way that I try and make sure that my content is working cross-silo, it's working all the way between all 4 of these verticals, and that the content's going to be relatively useful across them. There's some things that are specific, like case studies, which are great for some people, especially in the nurture tracks, just to keep them stitched into the fabric and keep them onto that web. But I would always say you're looking 6 months out just for implementation, and then following that, to actually recognize ROI on marketing automation, you're looking at 16 months. You're not going to get real hard numbers for return on investment until after probably a year's worth of data to say, this is where we've been putting people inside of the system, this is what it's been doing, these are the numbers, and this is how it's affecting these programs, the services and the offerings that you're having. And also, the key thing is your data. You could, I've had one CRM system, and they had 65,000 contacts, and that seems like a lot. The first time that I did a data audit it went down to 16,000 live people. Do you know how disappointing that was to them? I was like, you got to be real. So, yeah, it was a sad fact.